guys! Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen. Today's recipe is Palaka Humba, a hot and sticky frog legs. Wait guys, till the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of today's recipe. Frog legs. Wow! Look at those legs! Now those are legs that squat. Chili pepper, garlic, brown sugar, lemonade, onion, hot chili sauce, sweet soy sauce, and oyster sauce. First thing to do is combining all the ingredients in a cold pot. Frog legs, hot chili. Now the ingredients are all in. Mix it up. Cover and simmer. After an hour of cooking, the frog legs is now ready. Serve with rice and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. See you soon.